Please listen to this message. The 2000 New Year's celebration has been cancelled until further notice due to the Y2K glitch, also known as the Millennium Bug. Our transponders are starting to not work, so we are suspending normal programming.
This is the BBC Emergency Broadcast System. Please listen. The Home Office has issued a nationwide lockdown because of the Y2K bug causing mass destruction across the UK. Make sure to take these supplies: radios, food, IDs, documents and drinks. Every single transmitter in the UK is lacking. We will now suspend normal programming.